Look at this, guys. You know what's kind of funny is that not too long ago I was talking about how we don't get that many Corvettes in, and well, we're getting another one in. This is a really cool color. It's like a silvery gold, red accents like on the seatbelts, red calipers. Those wheels are gonna go. Oh, dude, you guys can't go wrong with the black interior, the red stitching, the carbon fiber accents, and then the red seatbelt. Oh, damn, that is a nice freaking seat. Oh my God, wow. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Dustin, it's another Corvette. So this is gonna be very similar to the last one we did, but we're doing a little bit more. We're clearbraing the entire full front end, but we are adding doors to it. I could definitely see why you want to clearbra this. I mean, like, this thing just sticks out so much. I'm sure, like, if you get, you know, door dings, things like that, you don't want your paint to get scuffed, especially when it looks this cool. And then we're also gonna be switching out these wheels with new Vossen wheels. Another brand new modded Corvette coming soon.
Gotta stand kind of back here, don't want to get in the way.
Alright guys, so we have the wheels for the Corvette here. Let's take a look and see what it looks like.
Let me help you, Haywood, since you can't do it with one hand.
Oh, cool. HF3s. We haven't done this on a Corvette yet, have we? Oh, gloss black. Okay, you can't go wrong. Gloss black. Ultimate American classic color. I've done an unboxing on this wheel before, so you guys want to see that video. I'm going to do a little pop-up thing right here probably for you to check that out if you want to. Great, sporty, angular 10-spoke design. All gloss black. Got Vossen written right up here, you know, for a little bit of branding. So right now we're getting ready to be put on. Raul, stop laying down on the job.
That was too good.
Another brand new Corvette, still with the plastics on the interior, ready to head home. Full front end of the car is completely protected with Clearbra, plus the doors. On the silver, the film looks practically invisible. No one's gonna be able to tell there's anything on here unless you tell them. Clearbra's first and foremost job is to protect the paint, never beautify. But with the innovation of some of these brands are doing, they sure are making them look a lot glossier than even factory. They even add water beading effects to them like this one. Water just beads off effortlessly. It's going to be a lot easier to clean. And of course, we changed out the stock wheels to Vossen HF3s in gloss black. Matches well with the silver, giving it that sporty look, but the 10-spoke design still keeps it classy. Flush fit in front and rear like usual for that perfect setup.